has always been, the kind, the helpful, the loving kind of a girl. And to think that she's finally with somebody who would love her as much as she would love him is really heartwarming, and I'm very contented right now.
We're office colleague. 2023 July, I decided to join my dad's business, and she was already working there. That's where we met for the first time. But coincidentally, on the second day, my dad asked her to train me on a CRM software.
மிதுன லக்னத்தில் கன்னிகா பிரதானம் செய்து கொடுக்கிறேன் சோபனம்
But nothing apart from pure professional. No other first impression. It was rainy season. Okay, it was raining heavily, and we were waiting for the lift. So I offered her to, okay, you can join me. I used to come by car, and she used to travel by local train. That's when, we spoke something apart from our office stuff, and that's where we connected first time. Yeah, thank the rain gods for that.
And this became a routine.
வளையோசையும் இசையாகுதே நீயே சங்கீதம்.
One fine day, he offered me that I'll start picking you up in the morning as well.
காதலின் வேகத்தில் காணாத ஆழத்தில் கரைந்தே போனே நானும். கண்களின் ஓரத்தில் பொன்னான உன்முகம் கண்டால் மலர்வேன் நானும். துள்ளும் நெஞ்சம் உன்மேல் தஞ்சம் நீயே நாடும் நாடும். இன்னும் இன்னும் வேண்டும் கொஞ்சம் நாட்கள் நீளும் நீளும்.
Surprised when we got to know his relationship and the way he got caught is really funny. It's an amazing story. It's really funny.
Where I was caught red-handed was I rarely go to temples, but she has a habit.
He and Hamsi went to temples.
There's a temple in a place called Chembur. She said she wants to go there. I said fine. And then when I was getting ready, my parents just asked, "Enga pora?" And I said, "Koil ko pora." They were like, "Temple ah?" Because I never go to temple. Meet Koil ko poriya.
Generally, doesn't ask much questions about his, sunshines or etc.
When I was in the temple and she asked me some questions, enna nakshatram, enna what? Nakshatram ennadu?
Archane pannirukku.
Archana ivannadu. So I also did not know that. Okay, then I called my mom and said, "Na enna nakshatram."
Chitti and Chittappa was a bit confused. இவன் இதெல்லாம் கேட்குறான். He usually doesn't even care about what all those stuffs are.
My mom said the answer, but then she jokingly said, "Hey, enna nakshatram la kekran? Kalyana panni poi vandra poran," something like that. So my father confronted me the next day after my temple, and he said, "I don't know what will happen, but please solid." And I said yes. Going.
My sister and my mom, they knew it since initial days. Of course, they were supportive. He came one day for dinner. Before these meetings, I informed my dad, there is someone that I love. We are in a relationship and everything.
Surprising or the very amazing thing in some sense. Started dating, in August or September 2023 and they got engaged in May 2024.
7 months of our relationship, we got engaged.
Okay, it's too soon.
இன்று விண்ணிலாவில் அந்த ஈர நினைவில் கண்டு தவிப்பதேனோ மனம் கலங்கி புலம்புகிறேன் கூந்தல் நெளிவில் எழில் கோலச்சரிவில் கூந்தல் நெளிவில் எழில் கோலச்சரிவில் கருவம் அழிந்ததடி
In our case, what happened was we were the whole entire day we were together. Around 12-14 hours we were together. And this was a luxury we got.
Were you expecting, like, were you waiting, or if he wouldn't have asked before, like, would you have?
And
He
this
asked
is-
before I thought of asking.
And this is confirmed by her sister. Her sister always says ki, you know, if you wouldn't have confessed that day, within 3 to 4 days she would have confessed. So even she was planning on asking me.
தாங்கள் காசி யாத்திரை செல்ல வேண்டாம் எனது குமாரத்தி சௌபாகியவதி ஹம்சினியை தங்களுக்கு கன்னிகா பிரதானம் செய்து கொடுக்கிறேன்.
Always, dreamt of that nice love story where a guy meets a girl and first they become friends and then they fall in love and they start dating and she gets that proposal and then they get married and there's this happily ever after. And this has finally happened, just the way she wanted. Finally, she has found the right person. I said there will be a mix of emotions. You'll be happy, you'll be sad, there will be a rush of emotions.
கண்ணம்மா கண்ணம்மா சொல்வாயா
Ready to get married?
Yes. Here we go.
என் வசம் உன் கரம் தாராயா கண் மூடிய போதிலும் மின்னிடும் கதிராய் என்னுள்ளே ஒளிர்வது யார் சொல்வாய் சொல்வாயா.
That one moment when my sister was sitting on my father's lap and you're in front of me, you're going to tie the knot, and that moment the things are going to revolve forever. It's going to change forever.
என் வசம் உன் கரம்
So he was like holding the tali for too long. பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க அவன் கட்டட்டா அப்படின்னா இருடா இருடான்றாங்க பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப டென்ஷன் ஆயிட்டான். அவ சிரிக்கிறா ஹம்சினி வெயிட் அப்படிங்கிறா. So it's so cute together.
என் வசம் உன் கரம் தாராயா
we're talking about 15 years down the lane, then we'll be working, we'll be coming back home for dinner, we'll have that one meal together, dim orange lights, we'll be comfy in our pajamas and we'll put something on Netflix or something and we'll just chill, have our time together, and maybe there'll be a pet.
Will of course be
Of
a pet.
course.
And only a dog, never a cat.
Like, I have no doubts about their commitment towards each other, and I'm very sure they are going to hold each other's hands for forever. I wish, even if they've been in a relationship for past whatever, how so many years, they keep changing. So I wish that they keep learning each other, they don't lose their curiosity towards each other, and they keep being best friends for life. ஏன்னா நலங்கு வாட வாங்கோன்னா
நலுங்கு வாடவா
This cousin group that we have is dominated by guys.
Yeah.
Now we have some gender
Yes.
parity for sure.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರಿಸಿ ತಂದ ನಾ ಪರುಪು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
My wish for them is that they're just always there for each other and that we all can get to make memories not just with Vitun but also with Hamsini now.
So it's actually really good to have a girl in the gang for so long. I've been with the boys like Aravind, Aniket and Rakshit. They're always with me. So it's so good to have her in the gang. I wish them all success and a very happy married life.
അരസില്ല എന്ന സമയത്ത് ഒരു പതിവ് സമയം
The first time I saw Hamsini Mani, I never felt like she was an outsider. Now she feels like she's a friend only. Like she's already part of family from a long time. So happy married life and have lots of fun.
ഈ വെക്കട്ട് കേടമേ
I really met her like just yesterday, but I feel like they're both right for each other. So congrats and all the best.
Now I look at her more like a roommate because she's going to shift with us. So I should call her roommate rather than Manni or some Bobby or something. So I'm so happy for them and congratulations. Have a prosperous and happy future.
यही होते हैं सवेरे.
I wish them a very happy and successful fights, but not that crazy fights, happy fights. And I want them to enjoy their life to the fullest, live every moment. Congratulations and very happy for them.
तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे गलियां तेरी गलियां.
Congratulations, Vitun and Hamsini. We wish you a happy married life.